So here's the Sony DCR-TRV20 video camera. I'm going to show how it's working. There's a tape in there. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Close that up. Sucks in. Close the lid here. Let's flip it over here. Right now it's in the off position. We'll go ahead and flip it to video camera mode. There's the viewfinder. I'm going to go ahead and record some here, show that this is functioning. Zoom here in on my old Puma yard working shoes. Doesn't seem to be focusing very well. So it may have a focus issue. Not sure. Hard to do one-handed here. So I'm going to record for a little while here so you can see that it's not turning off, it's staying recording, working as it should. Zoom out here. Don't know if this has an autofocus. Here, I'm going to set the phone down 1 second. Hold. See if yeah, it's got the focus ring on the front of the camera here. That oh yeah, see, I have it set to manual, not to auto. So let's flip that to auto. Sorry about the shake there. It's up on auto. Let's come back and we'll zoom right in. There, it's doing its magic. Zoom in here on that. So it's still recording. Has not shut off. So let's go ahead and stop recording. And I'll flip it up to VCR so that we can play. Hit the rewind button. They're right on the top here. Here, rewind. I'll go ahead and hit play. Working as it should. And there you see it plays back as well. I don't have a memory stick to test with, so not sure if the memory stick part works or not. Thanks for watching. Bye.